Oh, what you doing? Oh, are you giving Caitlin a pat on the head? Oh, say good, Caitlin. Good, Caitlin. Hi. Say hello. Are you going to show Caitlin your toy? Yes. Show baby Caitlin. Oh. Hello. Are you going to give baby Caitlin a kiss? Oh, good girls. Good girls. Yeah. Oh, you have her ear. Okay. That hair brushing is cute. Ah.
Did I ever tell you about the Helly Hansen boots from Norway?
No, you didn't. Did you buy a pair?